I love that line. She says, you looking for love, I'm looking for a good time. Like, no, but nobody will call her a Yoruba demon for that. Nobody, nope. No longer beneficial. I feel like she is making a statement more on that song, and I really want to see if there's a theme here. I really want to see if there's a very bold transition, just like Adekunle Gold was trying to make. I feel like is she going to make an even bolder statement in order to transition out of the sound that she has grown to be known for, that the sound that we already know her for. Let's go. First track, No Longer Beneficial. I haven't really heard the full song in its entirety, so I've just heard clips of it, but this would be my first full listen for it. And No Longer Beneficial, let's go.
Didn't we already have this conversation, babe?
Okay.
Didn't we already make this damn decision, baby?
Damn, tell me.
Its benefits no longer beneficial. Say you won't be my lover. Say you
Okay.
don't fuck it up when we having fun. Why you want a square to be a pentagon?
Why you want a square to be a pentagon? That's funny. Okay, bad girl. Tell him. No longer beneficial. Friends with benefit, no longer beneficial. I like that song. I like the song. It's a very interesting narrative you've never seen women tackle. You almost never see women tackle this narrative. For a long time, the narrative has always been men don't really care about like feelings or whatnot. Just want to have the benefits with any woman and keep it moving. They never get emotionally attached. Like, that's been the narrative, that most men don't get emotionally attached. The narrative has always been, oh, women are the ones that attach, get so quickly emotional, or they're the ones that really get emotionally attached to an arrangement such as this. And this was an interesting one to see a woman tackle one that says sometimes you just really want to have fun. Like, and you don't really see that often. You don't really hear women just say, okay, I just want to have fun. We've had this mindset that women are just like, everything has to do with emotions. Like, they have to fall in love with you in order to be with someone. And I'm like, bruh, sometimes, but you know, before I would for women too, you know. And so it's like, it's very interesting to see that narrative done in a pop, like in a very, very big scale. I love that line. She says, you looking for love, I'm looking for a good time. Like, no, but nobody will call her a Yoruba demon for that. Nobody, nope. But definitely this was a very strong one. I feel like her voice is always, it can never be understated how amazing and angelic her voice is. She's really one of the best voices that we have in the scene, man. And man, I really get, you can't really take it away from her. No matter what style of music she chases, her voice is always what brings you back to, like, okay, grounds you, or like, this is how you win me over, okay, with your amazing voice. And that's what she did on this one. Very, very amazing delivery on that one. No Longer Beneficial, first track.